Hey YouTubers, this is your pal EMDSD14R. It is officially 8:45 a.m. on March the 22nd, 2021. And yeah, this is my latest update video. Um, and you guys are probably saying, "Oh my God, what have you been up to?" Well, I've been up to a lot these last 3 days since my birthday. Thank you guys all for the birthday wishes. It means a lot. Thank you. I had a very phenomenal 31st birthday. Wow, 13th birthday. Yeah, I wish I was 13. But thank you. I had a phenomenal 31st birthday. Um, Let me just put this up here. My mom actually finally found me a frame for my Drexel degree right there. So I took my train painting down and I have it above my workbench here. So that's a great accomplishment right there. Was well worth it. But back to the update here. So you're looking at this paint booth and you're saying, "Oh my God, what is this?" It's a paint booth. It's an airbrush booth. It's a Ridgeline portable paint booth. And I bought this off of eBay. I was actually looking at a couple of these online for a while, and I wasn't sure about buying them, but I bought it. It's only it's $89 and some change, but it comes to like 95, 96 bucks with eBay taxes and whatnot, but it it it's great. I mean, I tested it out, like not like actually tested it out, but like I put it all together. So this one comes with I'm not sure about all of them, but this one comes with LED lights. And the cool thing is they snap in. So all this is like snap in. It folds up into like a suitcase. And then there's your handle here. It's got your fan back here. This is your ventilation tube, which is cool. Here are the dimensions for it. See if I can get that to focus. So those are the dimensions for it. Which, by the way, let me just grab a box car. I was gonna grab the F unit, but I said no. That's perfect for HO. Like that is a perfect. This is perfect for HO. Now, what I've seen pictures of is some people buy two of these, and they actually can put them side by side. And I think there's a way you can connect these two. If not, but you can actually double your airbrush booth size. So you could actually technically, if you wanted to, maybe you could get a small O scale car in one of these. Maybe an O scale engine, but it'd be kind of hard because you'd have to turn it periodically. But it comes with a turntable so you can turn your models around. And this would all be lighted and everything. Like I said, LED lights, and they're really bright, which is cool, which is what you want. Um, So yeah, I'm getting ready to do some big stuff here, guys. Mainly for that M420, yeah, M420 AC that I'm building. So yeah, got that off of eBay. This I got at Nicholas Smith on my birthday. I was looking for a relatively inexpensive airbrush set. I didn't want to go cheap, like I didn't want to go super cheap. I didn't want to go super cheap. This was on sale for like $100. It doesn't have a compressor, but it has like a propellant can. But it's a Badger, which let me see. Where is it? Which I already have a Badger. I bought this years ago, guys. I don't even know if it works. I don't even know if it works, but this is the Badger airbrush that I have. I never opened it except maybe once or twice to look at it, but I don't even know if it works, honestly. I don't even know if it works. Um, yeah, a good place to store your trains is another uh, dresser. This is like my supply area for trains and Hot Wheels cars. But yeah, I don't even know if that one works, but I heard Badger's a good company, and this is brand spanking new. $100, you can't beat it. So, it's a single action. So basically, I think this. So a double action means you can change the rate or how fine the paint is when it comes out. So the harder you pull on the trigger, the finer the spray. Like, so the harder you pull on the trigger, the finer the spray or the paint gets. So depending on how hard you pull, it depends on how fine the paint is when it comes out of the nozzle. That's what someone told me at Nicholas Smith, but this is a single action, which is good for a beginner, which is technically me. Although I have painted in the past, but not with one of these. But yeah, so I bought that. Uh, Bought myself extra propellant, which was like $8 or $9, which not bad. So I mean, this one should be enough to do a couple of models. I just bought that just because. And then I bought the Tayanami color. Um, this is the semi-gloss. This is semi-gloss. So semi-gloss is you still get that glossy shine, but it's not overly shiny. So it's like new, but it's like it's not super new. And then you get the flat, which is basically no shine at all. So I bought both because I wanted to try them out. I'm probably going to try the semi-gloss on the trailer here because I just decaled this for the ER&W road. I bought that. And I bought this Kenworth tractor here, which is really cool. Um, Paint, I finally decided to go with True Colors paint because my C39-8 here, Scale Trains uses True Colors paint, and I've been so impressed with how this unit looks compared to other engines. I wanted to use True Color. So I got light primer. I got G&W orange, which I don't know how that's going to look. And I got silver. Now, I have my D&H Jeep 38-2, number, I think it's 7325. I just swapped the chassis on that with an Atlas chassis, and it has an undecorated fuel tank, so I'm going to try that silver on this fuel tank. I got a question, guys. When you use primer, do you need to use paint thinner with it, or can you just spray it on the model? I want to know that for certain, because I don't want to make a mistake. But yeah, do you use paint thinner with primer? That's what I want to know. Do you use paint thinner with primer? Because when I was talking to the guy at the hobby shop, I asked him, what kind of paint thinner can I use? Can I use anybody's paint thinner with anybody's other paint? And he was like, you know what? I recommend using that company's paint thinner. So if you buy like Tayanami paint, use Tayanami paint thinner. If you use True Colors paint, use True Colors paint thinner. And I was like to myself, I knew I should have bought that paint thinner when I bought these paints. Because then that means today, I would have been actually painting something. Um, but yeah, I already ordered it, so it'll be here hopefully in time. So yeah, but yeah, if you're not sure about something, just order everything at once and then deal with it later, because at least then you'll know, okay, I already have it, I can just start, or if I didn't need it right away, yeah, you still have it anyway. But that was just a mistake on my part, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah. Another thing that I did is I patched the second GMD one I have for my railroad for ER&W. I patched that one. Um, that's pretty much it. And then I added the details on my M420 AC over here. Those Tinchy Train Group grab irons, they are so good, guys. Like I'm like they're really good, like really good. My buddy Radisson is actually doing some locomotives for me, and I sent him a bunch of those to put on the locomotives he's doing for me. So hopefully I get those back soon, and y'all will be able to get to see them. But yeah, this is what I'm working on, guys. I'm getting ready to go fully self-sufficient. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm going to try the semi-gloss on this boxcar because I decaled that. I decaled this last night too for the ER&W. It's an X Banger and a Roostuck boxcar. So I'm gonna try the semi-gloss. I think I'll try the semi-gloss on the boxcar and on the trailer, but I might actually change my mind. If I do that, I'll probably go outside because it's so nice out, and I do it outside. So, I mean, technically it has a ventilation system, so I could just technically put it in there where my computer is, prop the window open, and just have the fumes going out there through this. But yeah, I think I'll just do it outside, which will be fine because it's you know I think I'll just do that. All right, so you guys be cool. I hope you enjoyed this update video. God bless, and I will be seeing you down the line. Peace, y'all.